Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and this is a short video on how you can download all your website. So, if you have several domain names, how you can download all the files and all the databases. Uh, a user recently was asking us this question, and now I'm recording this video for both him and all of you. So, what we do, of course, we go into StackCP, and in this case, here is a hobby domain of mine, Art for Web. It is a stock photography site where you can get free photos, just a hobby site. And it is quite large as well. And let me remove this text. So it is quite large as well in the size. So what we need, so we know that timeline backups are automatically being done every day, but you cannot download. So here is another section under web files. It is called backup/restore. You click on them. Okay. And now click on backup type. You would let me enlarge it. So backup type is now you're creating a backup, files and databases. Okay. Here's one thing: the databases. If you need just databases, then do not click on files, as it will take some time for this backup to be created. With databases, it will take 1 to maximum 5 minutes. But with files, depending from the total file size, then it will take a longer time. So this is what you do, and now you click on create backup. Okay, and now we will return shortly, and all we need to do is just refresh times by times. Let's say every 5 minutes. Yes, refresh times by times and see where we are. Okay, and now we are back. And without refreshing, I can see that backup is complete. So yeah, so the website is quite large. We have around 1,000 photos in it, just for your thoughts. And here's an option to download all your files, all your databases and files. So before you download, make sure that it says databases and file. And it took me less than 10 minutes. I just had this morning coffee. This is a beautiful Sunday morning. So now we are clicking download, and we need to find a place to save it. Now it is downloading for me, and I will be back with you shortly. Okay, and now we are back in. So as you can see, okay, here it is a 5 gig file. So basically the size is 5 gigs, compressed size is 4 gigs 4.91. And let me show you larger. So this is the file, compressed file folder. I will extract it. I'll extract it, and it is extracting. Okay, let me speed it up now, and I will be back with you in a second. Okay, and now we're back, and okay, and here we are. So this was the compressed file. This is uncompressed one. Let us open it, and we can see here we have databases. Yes, here's one database, and here we have public HTML. If you have more, if you would have more folders, then more folders of all the other websites would be there. And that's it. Thank you, and hopefully this was helpful to you. And if you need more tutorials, please open a support ticket at hostmaria.com, and I will be more than happy to create them for you individually, and then maybe they will be helpful for other our users. And best greetings to you from this beautiful Sunday morning. All the best. Bye.